and in. And one more time. Shimmy. When you do shimmy, your skin and your muscle forwards and back, forwards and back, forwards and back. Yes, right. It's like ball, little ball. Just feel little ball here. Amazing. Okay, and let's make these movements few times. Yes, 8, 1, 2, 3. Your leg like this. Yes, full of relaxed and energy. It's not like here. Okay, and let's try with in this position. Yes, contracts all your muscles. And one more time, breathe in, breathe out, and doing vacuum. And here, look here, V, yes, here, down, here goes down, yes, and catch.